Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is People Per Hour audio not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. Browser or app permissions. Microphone access may not be enabled for the browser or app. Incorrect audio settings. Wrong input, output device selected, microphone or speakers. Device permission issues. The system may block microphone or audio access. Outdated browser or app. Older versions can have bugs affecting audio features. Internet connection problems. Poor or unstable connection can disrupt audio calls or playback. Cache or data issues. Corrupted cache may prevent audio from loading properly. Hardware problems. Faulty microphones, speakers, or headset can cause audio failure. Server or platform issues. Temporary issues on People Per Hour can affect audio functionality. If the issue continues, check permissions, test your microphone, update your browser, clear cache, or contact People Per Hour support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.